Here we have the yellow dragon fruit. It looks grayer than the regular dragon fruit, probably because the seeds are larger and the flesh seems less dense. It smells mildly sweet, like kiwi or persimmon. The taste is really sweet, quite surprising actually. It's much sweeter than the regular dragon fruit. The seeds are crunchy, perhaps you can hear that. The texture of the flesh is like a kiwi, a bit firmer, but less firm than regular dragon fruit. There are no floral notes or any aroma of that sort, nor is there any sourness, it's just sweet. This fruit is quite juicy. Just by scooping it with a spoon, you see all this juice left. It's very easy to eat. You just scoop it clean out of its shell. No mess made whatsoever. Highly recommend.